The medicine, one medicine I'm showing for your procrastination disease. Wonderful book. You want to see the book title? The Now Habit. Okay? The Now Habit. A strategic program for overcoming procrastination and enjoying guilt-free play. Guilt-free play. So, a strategic program for overcoming procrastination and enjoying guilt-free play. Okay, more than 1,75,000 copies sold, something like that. Anyway, so just this is one separate book. What we have almost how many topics are there? 6, 7, 8, 9. Only 9 topics are there. Yes, only 9 topics are there. Okay, like 9 into 2. Every topic is 2 days, almost around 18 days, 20 days, man. So lifetime disease we can, yes, you can remove completely. Otherwise, we are always going to feel regret. We are always going to feel guilty because of that bloody procrastination. Remember that. Okay. So really, this is a very dangerous thing, man. Remove completely from your body. That is highly, highly recommended. Is it clear for you people? Almost around 3 to 4 sessions we are spending only on the procrastination. Even I build a system. I'm following that system. Better to follow, better to build a system based on your comfort. My system is very simple, impossible to fail. Impossible to fail. Okay. So just every day I will write at least one action item. At least one action item I require to complete. My pending activities, I'm going to write at least one item. From that list, I will complete at least one item by end of the day. That's about my requirement. Have you wrote at least one item? Have you completed at least one item? This is the only thing I require to check before sleeping. Next, that thing, I'm not going to write in a separate book, just in mobile. So, no notes app, my note app is there. In that, just I'm keep on writing. So, require to open the book and then require to write and so on. It's practically, it's not possible for us. Okay, because mobile is always there with us. Even while sleeping, mobile is there. While traveling, mobile is there. Okay, in class, mobile is there beside me. So that's why anytime I can write. But by end of the day, from this list, am I completed at least one activity or not? A simple system I build. Whether that day, am I in Hyderabad or am I in Bangalore or otherwise somewhere else, or otherwise that day the rain or shine, all these things are nonsense. Every day, at least one item, action item I'm going to write. By end of the day, at least one action item I'm going to complete. Simple rule, simple system, impossible to fail. Anyone started already?